Good morning, it is your girl Andrea, and it's Sunday. I am on feed duty this weekend all by myself, so I'm gonna take you along for a fun little ride. Had to go grab this thinger so I can prop my phone up as I'm trying to multitask and feed. Get in! We gotta go check stuff first. Got a fat with a sore foot in there. The heifers. How's your feed supply? Dang, girls. You're not getting fed right away this morning. Just so you know. So you wanted to clean it up, and they have quite a bit, which we're not surprised because heat, they slowed down a little bit. So this week we were extremely warm. And they went off feed a little bit, so I'm not surprised. We had a couple days where it was like 105 real feel, so. And the fats are not getting fed either. Man, this, really gotta feed the cows. So if you saw my recent post, it was super fun. That gate got open. Do you have your head stuck? Are you kidding me right now? Get your head out. Okay, you're not actually stuck. Thank you very much. Stay out of there. Anyways, I got these chains off. So we had steers over here, heifers over here, heifers over here, steers over here. Super great. And my beloved F8, supposed to be pregnant. She is indeed not. She was in standing heat. So that sucks, but she also got a blind spot in her eye, so she got other stuff going on. You'll become beef, honey. Still serve a purpose. Anyways. Really glad he wasn't actually stuck, or I would have wanted to die a little bit, so there's that. But anyways, it was really full of manure, and obviously I wore those shoes, so that was super fun. But looks like we just gotta feed cows this morning. Hope the fats clean up. That's not normal for us. It's just the effects of the heat yet. They went off feed on Friday. And they're slowly catching up, so. Looky what we got done. I'll update you, but this is the Friday project. We'll open one more gate and then we'll get the skid loader and the tractor and get rolling, Nesser. Someday this will be a nice rolling gate, but right now, this is just where we're at. Keep the calves in. They've been better about not being out here, so that's been helpful.
Want to add an
operate. And now we move. We go with the skid loader. Flight control, skid loader, iPad to feed. Then we can start. So, and in getting the tractor, I have to fill with syrup before I come over here. So she knows. She's like, I'm gonna have to be locked in the office. Come on. Get your butt. Good girl. I need you. Got her. Mineral, flight control, iPad being put in here before I walk away. Oh my goodness. Here's the heifer. I had a calf the other day. There's the baby. Still have not tagged him. Maybe we'll do that today. His name is Oops, as this tag says. You're still super vocal, but you're a good mom. I'm not gonna talk about how many cats we have. Well, so I can't show you loading a stirrup part because I had to use my phone, so it's a wrap, but and she's going. Yep. And let's go. Let's not have any issues. Knock on wood today. Yeah. So this is exactly how we feed. We just have the iPad, roll with it. You can see I loaded syrup. So I'm gonna start here, and then it just counts down ingredients. Roll from the punches, and you feed. Number 1 is mix. I gotta figure out the art of this turn because that was not it. But it was not bad, so I'll just take a nice little backwards drive here. I got some feed to scoop, but it's okay. I have not fed in these bunks yet, so every time I try, something happens with the feed wagon. Now I'm gonna go drop where Moonlight's at, the last bit, and then I'm gonna go more syrup. Wow, these windows are really dirty. You can kind of see it coming out of there. So now we gotta do the next one. Load syrup. Putting her down there. We are connected. Turn the switch off. And she's filling. So this week it counts down. So I have 530 pounds left. 300 pounds of syrup in. And it's just on a switch. And that is pretty much right on the money. I could go 20 more pounds, but I'll end up going way over. So if you watch some of my videos, you know already that I am not the one that usually feeds very often. It's kind of Dad's department. I can feed, clearly. We're doing it. But I'm a little rusty because it's been a hot second. So now you know. Let's get it. And then this load, I have to go back to the bred heifers. Well, hopefully the bred heifers that we're gonna probably check this week. And they get 730 pounds of what's in the feeder wagon. I have about 850 pounds right now. But bam! Look at that. Pretty dang on point. So, I got a little bit of extra feed on here, but that's okay. It's not a lot, actually. So. Counting down. Happy kids. We got ourselves our last 600 pounds of syrup. Now we'll go load the last little cow feed. Lots of feed, which it all fits in these 2 pens, so we'll just keep doing our thing. There's a lot better feeding now that we have the crete pens because the calves are not fetting the bunk as bad because they can literally go eat crete feed. It's been so great. Dad has these backwards from what I thought they would be. I just need you to know that I have tried to do this numerous times this year and something has majorly broken every single time. Or like I got feed jammed up the one day and then it just absolutely wouldn't load, it wouldn't turn, wouldn't do nothing. Then my dad had to come home and like help, and it has been a struggle bus this year. So I started recording today with the worry that this would turn into a hot mess, a disaster per usual. But it did not. It actually went just fine. So feels good to have fed. Granted, I feed the fats, but the fats I wasn't having issues with. It was always the cows. And our feeder wagon's getting tired, so we've had that conversation in some of my previous videos. But I did it. I'm proud of myself. They still have, can't see in their bunk, but they still have quite a bit of feed, so they're probably just gonna sit. We'll just park over here, and if I want to feed them this afternoon, then I'm over by the store already with the feeder wagon. Go from there. Not ideal. Your goal is to not have to feed them at different times, but 105-degree weather for more than a couple days in a row will do that. We did it! I need to text my dad and tell him it's done. He's gonna be so happy that he didn't have to come back for it. High five. Don't forget to turn the scale off. I can be really bad with that. It says bye. She's off. So now I'll go get Nessa from the Defender. We will finish the rest of chores, which is really just watering goats, making sure the chickens have water, grabbing eggs if they have any, feeding the horse that's down there, and then I'll check pastures to make sure the fence is hot. Otherwise, we done. Yeah, you guys are not getting feed. Sorry, kids. Clean up your stuff. Hey, Jess boy. Hi, Toots. Hey, Moon. Oh my gosh, where's your baby? Am I gonna touch your baby? You over it now?
Did I come back? Goodness.
Should we go do our chores? That's your favorite thing and you didn't get to do all of it, huh? We'll go do the rest of it, okay? Sit down. I need to get a water, so just chill out. Snacky? Talking about, I'll scoop this feed up. I was gonna scoop up my mistake right away to hide it, but my dad watches my video, so he's gonna know immediately. But they push feed out anyways, so I'll just scoop feed tonight. Scoop it all up. It really isn't that bad. I'll show you. I ain't afraid to own up to my mistakes. You saw a lot of it happen. Like, I did not dump this. The cows pushed this out. So, I mean, really, this is all cows doing. My doing was at the end here. So really, doesn't even look like I did it, to be honest. Yep, right here. That's where I sucked. Had to figure it out. And then we were just fine. But that was me. So I'll scoop it up. I'll get it. Looky, looky. I did record some clips of putting the teas in here, so I'll make a whole separate video and do a little updated barn tour likely and show you the creep pens in another video. So stay tuned for that. But the kids are extremely happy. Very happy babies eating creep feed. So the heifers do have a little bit less feed than the steers, but they do still have quite a bit piled up. So they'll probably get fed later. I don't think the steers will. Hi, bottle calf. But I want them to clean up that stuff. So I have one of my fats in here actually. Got a little bit of a sore, swollen front leg. So we pulled him out and we're just feeding him separate, and he ate most of his feed, which is good. Feed him separate so he's not getting picked on. He's not laying. Because he wasn't laying in the best spots, so he's getting kind of full of crap. But he's not bad, just swollen. But we're treating, doing the thing. So proper protocol. Took him out. He's got water and food and all the goods here. What do you think you need? I don't have any feed for you, Larry boy. I don't know why you're so tame. I mean, I understand because it's your mom, but her calves are usually not this tame. And then there's Larry. You should have been a heifer. If you were a heifer, this would be ideal, but you're a steer, so I'm gonna be sad when you leave. You driving? Scoot over. Bad girl. Oh, it's a big yawn. It's a lot of work this morning. Yes, you're my only co-worker today. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was being bombed there. That scared me very much. Woo! He's definitely spraying right over there. I'll have to get some clips of him. So if there's one thing that's gonna happen out of this, is when he flies right over the house, our horse over here, Rooster, is gonna be extremely used to planes because he didn't even react. Here he comes. He comes right over top of the barn. He is right over top of the house. He's literally so close. Terrifying. Nessa, that's scary. Say a prayer, kids. Yep, we're hot. Having to go back. I thought that last one he was gonna run me over. I was a little bit terrified, I'm not gonna lie. But there he goes. He'll probably come back again because that's the second time he's been in the area. So the cows are way in the back, and I can get back to them, but I can't get all the way back to them. So they were looking good yesterday. Our pastures are starting to dry up, so that part sucks. But I can see all of them chilling back there, so we're gonna count it good instead of going in to look at them. Anyways, thanks for hanging with me today. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Let me know if you have any questions. This actually went pretty dang well, and I'm pretty impressed with myself, so toot my own horn there. But I'll see you next time.